Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. So we're going to make these delicious Bombay grilled sandwiches. Now these sandwiches are very popular in the streets of Bombay and they make this special masala powder that goes into the sandwiches which gives it a lot of flavor. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the masala powder, I've taken 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, a few cloves, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 2 thin strips of cinnamon. So we're just going to dry roast everything. After about 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the stove. Cool the ingredients completely. Add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and about half teaspoon of black salt. Grind everything together to a nice fine powder. The masala powder is done. Remove it from the mixer jar and keep it aside. For the mint and coriander chutney, I've taken a nice handful of mint leaves, half bowl of coriander leaves, 3 green chilies, a piece of ginger chopped, add the juice of half lemon and about half teaspoon of black salt or the kala namak. Just grind everything together. So I'm just adding about a teaspoon of water. Now that all the elements for the sandwiches are ready, let's start assembling the sandwiches. White sandwich bread, you can use any bread of your choice. Spread a generous amount of unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter if you like. Next, spread a generous amount of mint and coriander chutney evenly on top of the bread. Now place the boiled potato slices. Sprinkle some of the masala powder on top. Next, place the fresh onion slices. Sprinkle some masala powder on top of the onion slices. Spread more butter onto another slice of bread. Also spread the mint and coriander chutney. Spread some more butter on top of the slice of bread. Spread another layer of the mint and coriander chutney on top. Now place the fresh tomato slices and sprinkle it with some masala powder. Place some fresh cucumber slices. Sprinkle some masala powder on top. To the last slice of bread, spread some generous amount of butter and mint and coriander chutney evenly. So we're going to finish off by adding some grated cheese. So I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Close the sandwich with the final slice of bread. Next, we're going to grill the sandwich. To a grill pan, spread generous amount of unsalted butter. Place the prepared sandwich on top. Brush some butter on all the sides. Grill it for a few minutes. So once it turns to a nice golden brown color on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Brush some more butter onto the pan. Brush the sides of the bread with some butter. So there you go, the sandwich is ready. Remove it from the grill pan. Cut it into half and serve it hot immediately. Wow, look at those layers. They look absolutely fantastic. You can see the lovely chutney and the vegetables and the cheese. It's a perfect grill sandwich. So there you go. Here is this delicious Bombay style grill sandwich, which is a must try. Wow, those delicious Bombay grilled sandwiches look absolutely amazing. So you can see we've added all these nice fresh vegetables. So make sure you have all your elements ready before you assemble the sandwich. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.